This is our latest development of automatic cutting and milling machine. With double heads. One head uses saw blade cut. One high-speed spindle with milling bit. Maximum processing size is 3.2 by 1.9 meter. One key to tilt table, easy to load slab. Straight cutting, chamfering, easy to operate. Faster cutting speed and high efficiency. It can be chamfered on 4 sides. Chamfering effect display. With special shape process template. Input data, one key to start. Processing display square basin. Input basin data, one key start. Firstly, use milling bit to cut 4 corners. Then switch to saw blade to cut 4 straight sides. Basin effect display. Processing display oval basin. Import CAD drawing, use milling bit to cut. Effect display. More effect display, trapezoid. Oval. Diamond shape. Arc line profiling. Bolt shape. Regular polygon, etc. Thanks for watching.